Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 different everyday hairstyles which are very easy and simple. So without further ado, let's get started. So in the first hairstyle, we're going to be taking a section from the top. Don't forget to smoothen it out and secure it with a band. Now you got a pigtail, make that into 2 sections, just like this. Now take the first one and make a normal braid. Put the braid on the other side and take the second section and secure it with a band as shown. Now you have to flip the section through and bring the normal braid inside of it. Now all you have to do is bring the 2 sections towards up. Secure it with a clip so that it doesn't move. To make it look even more better, you can use a scrunchie. Now if you just pull the second section outwards, it will make the whole hairstyle look even more fuller. So there you go, simple and very easy. Now for the second hairstyle, take a section from the top, leaving little bit of hair from the sides, and then secure it with a band. Pull out some hair to make it look like a poof. Now take a section from this side, make it into 2 and twist it as shown. Pull out to add some volume. Secure it under the top section with a clip. This is how it will look. Repeat the same procedure on the other side as well. This hairstyle is suitable for any kind of wear, whether it could be traditional or western. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. So overall, this is how it looks. So for the third one, take a clip and center part your hair into 2 sections just like this. So from one of the sections you have to make a normal braid. This hairstyle is actually called a waterfall braid. So it's very simple. You have to take a few parts from the hair and insert it into the braid just like this. I'm repeating the same from the other side. This time I'm just doing it from the backwards, the same procedure. When you want light and you can't have a mirror in front of, you just have to pray that the hairstyle should look good. And that's it. Secure both the sections with a band from the back. And here you go. This hairstyle will look more good for parties and functions. So that's it for today. If you want more of such content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends, and hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I have a new video up. Till then, peace.